stop by and take a look at the 2021 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, fog lamps, skid plates. Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, center console. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.